Hello and welcome to today's video where we're looking at another method for making money online and from home. And here's a cool thing about this method, okay? It can be started for free. You do not need skills. You do not need any experience. And if you watch this video to the end, I can guarantee you one thing. By the end of the video, you will have a full plan in place. You'll know the potential with this method. You will see people who are actually earning and future earnings from this potential method because honestly, I mean, whenever I'm recording these videos for you on YouTube, a lot of the videos I am sharing with you are primarily because over in the university over here, I do these different case studies. Okay. Now, inside of, so sorry, if you don't know, the university is my own online community and training platform whereby I do all of these methods myself to make money online, and I share basically everything I do in my own online business. And then to prove that these methods work, we do case studies from scratch. Now, we've done a lot of these different case studies, and whenever I'm starting one and I get into it, I get really excited because now more than ever is an unbelievably awesome time to be making money online, whether we are using YouTube, whether it's AI software, whether it's the new one I'm doing at the minute, whether it's Etsy. Once you start diving into it and learning about it, the potential with any of these methods is ridiculous. Okay. Now, let me share with you a couple of websites. I'll share with you this method for today because, again, it's not hard, it's not difficult, you don't need skills, it just takes a bit of time and experience, time and commitment or consistency. Okay, so let me dive over here. I'll share with you this website. Okay, so this website is called Creative Fabrica. Now they do have a paid option with this, but I'm going to leave a link to this down below. With that link, it will allow you to go ahead and download 10 products from inside of here absolutely for free. Okay, so it's free. If you then want to continue using it further on down the line, you can do it for, I think from memory, it's about $4 or $5 a month. It's not expensive. Okay, but they give you 10 things for free in the beginning. So what is Creative Fabrica? How can you use it to make money online, and how can you get the most from the first 10 products that they will allow you to download? Well, basically, over on this Creative Fabrica, people sell essentially digital products. And you can see we have got different categories along here. We have got fonts, we have got graphics, we've got 3D Spark, I don't know what that is. We've got crafts, needlework, class. They also run classes and things. But let me share with you an example and how you can go ahead and get 10 of these options. Okay, so let's have a look at, let's just go with something. So let's come down here and find something. Okay, so I want to have a look at, I just saw it a minute ago before the video. The mega, no, where's it gone? Christian, where the heck has it gone? This one over here, look, the mega t-shirt designs bundle. Okay, so let me go ahead and click on this and let's see what it is. So we can see inside of here, right? It's got a 4.9 rating out of 5. That's pretty good. It's got 423 premium graphics inside of here. Now, what is it? The Mega T-shirt bundle is here. Get this stunning bundle with 423 unique T-shirt designs for just $5. Save da 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 da. Okay, the bundle comes with many separate niches and is perfect for your print on demand and e-commerce. And then if we scroll down, you can see we have other images on here. So you could go ahead and get this for free. And as you can see, there's lots of different things on here. So this example is t-shirt bundles that we could go and download. So that's one example for you. But let me just say we wanted something for, let's say we wanted a kids colouring book. Kids colouring book, like so. And we can see on here, look, 50, well, blimey, a lot of results in here. Now I can scroll down and have a look at these, okay? And I can, on the left-hand side, they've got these different categories. So again, if I want to change it, look, so if I wanted to change it, so colouring pages and books, I can click on here. And now, again, look, I've got all of these colouring pages inside of here that I could go ahead and get for free with the 10 option, with the free 10 downloads in the beginning, okay? So, I mean, look at this, 50 Halloween colouring book images. Come further down, what's this? Easter colouring pack, 100 pages, print ready. Come down here, look, mandalas. So let's just go into one of these. So let's go with, what's this? Relaxing mandala cut. Right, I'm just going to go with this one, okay? Scroll down here, look, I can download this. Commercial and full print on demand use allowed. So scroll down here, what do we get? 5 different mandala colouring pages for kids and adults. This is a digital product. This is what you'll get. Colouring pages, you get the source files, you get all of this good stuff, okay? So if I come over here, let's just take this, and I'm going to type in, I'm going to take this colouring page, like so. I'm going to go into Etsy, and this is just one example, okay? I'm going to paste that into here. Mandela colouring page, and let's have a look, okay? Now, I also want to know the numbers, so let me have a look. Mandela colouring pages, 33,000 people a month are searching for this. If we then go specifically for adults, 2,900 people a month are searching for Mandela colouring pages, okay, for adults. Scroll down the page here and we can have a look at what other people are selling on the platform, okay? I mean, look, it's just crazy. So you could go ahead and using this website over here, this Creative Fabrica, you could go ahead and download a number of these and put them all together to create your own unique Mandela colouring book. How would you go ahead and create and put all of this together? Well, you would use a free piece of software like Canva, canva.com. You could come in here and create anything inside of here for free. It's awesome, it's simple, and as you can see here, I've been using it for a long time. It's free. Now, the great thing about this website as well is this Creative Fabrica. So in this example, we can see this Mandela colouring pages. But let's say we wanted something else. I don't know, something a bit different. Let's say we wanted some. Let's say I wanted some math worksheets. Math worksheets. Let's have a look at this. So we can see here 1,248 results. Look at this one here, 100 pages, multiplication math worksheets. This one over here, look, 100, what's that, 1,000 math tasks. But let me just go with this one. So I'm going to click on here, scroll down. What do we get? Look at that, 122 times favourites, 100 pages, PDF, Come further on the page, what will you get? A PDF file that's editable, an AI file that's editable, and you get 104 images. Pretty awesome, so we could use that. So now, I'm going to take this. Let's go over onto Etsy and have a look with this. Let's go back up to the top and we are going to search that in here, like so. And we've got 5,400 people a month searching for multiplication math worksheets. And why I love this website and I use it and I mean, I've not mentioned it for a long time on the channel, but as you can see over here, this will give us a great starting point whenever we are looking to create one of our own printables. And then what we can do with these printables is, yeah, we can sell them on Etsy, but then we could also sell them on another website like Gumroad or Teachers Pay Teachers. There's lots of these different places whereby you can go ahead and start selling these different products. And what you don't do, okay, I'll tell you this right off the bat, you wouldn't just download this and then upload it straight onto Etsy. You can't do that. You can use this as an example, as a base. So for example, you could go ahead and download something like this or any of these. So let's just go into, what's this? Password tracker. Let's have a look at this one. Or something else. Let's have a look at, I don't know, but basically, let's go into, what is that? Watercolor eucalyptus. What is that? Oh, so that's clip art. So again, we can download these and we can use them as a base, or we can use them to create bundles and unique products, okay? But again, the potential with this is just ridiculous. So that there is very specific, isn't it? Eucalyptus clip art, let's have a look at that on Etsy. Let's see. Let's paste and let's hit on search and let's see. That can't be right. 4,400 people a month are searching for eucalyptus clip art. Who would have known? But if we scroll down here now, again, look at the prices, £4.29, £3. I mean, blimey, look at that. It's just crazy, isn't it? It really is. But here's the great thing about this method, okay? We can fast track it. We can use this website over here, Creative Fabrica. We can then take what we download from here into Canva and make simple and easy edits inside of Canva, which is absolutely free. And then we can take those listings and put them over onto Etsy. And look, if you want me to break this down a lot further for you, then comment down below and we'll set aside a good 20 minutes to go through this whole process. But it genuinely isn't difficult. We download the files, we take them over to Canva, we make some edits, we make it unique. Once we're happy with it, we download it, and then we take the finished PDF version and then we take it over onto platforms like Etsy and we put it up for sale. And that's it. So yeah, let me know down below what you think of this method. If you have any questions, please let me know. But yeah, the potential's huge. It's just missing you. So a bit of time, bit of effort and consistency, could be making some pretty decent money. I'll see you soon.